Hey everyone, if you're looking to make your time in TallyPrime a little bit smoother, a little bit faster, you are in exactly the right place. Today we're going to dive into a super practical customization tip that I think is going to genuinely improve your daily workflow.
So let me ask you a question. Do you ever open up a sales invoice in TallyPrime and just feel like there's too much going on? Maybe there's that one box or that one column that you skip over every single time. It's such a common thing, and honestly, all that clutter can really slow you down.
Well, here's the great part. There is a really simple way to fix this. You don't have to be a Tally expert. You're not going to be digging into some obscure settings. It's just a straightforward little tweak that anyone can do in like 2 minutes.
Okay, so what are we talking about specifically? We're going to focus on the tracking number field. You know the one, maybe you added it a while back for a specific client, but now you don't really use it anymore. It's just sitting there, taking up valuable screen real estate. We're going to get rid of it and reclaim that space for good.
All right, let's get right to it. I'm going to walk you through the exact 5-step fix. It's all about knowing where to go and which keys to press. It's way easier than you think. Okay, here we go. It's so simple. First, from the gateway of Tally, you're just going to press Alt+F12. That takes you right to voucher types. Step 2, just select Sales Invoice from the list. Now for the magic part, step 3, press Alt+F12. This opens up the configuration for the layout. In that screen, just find the tracking number field and delete it. And to lock it all in, you just use that classic Tally command we all know and love, Ctrl+A to save, and that's it. You're done.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this tiny little tweak really worth the effort? And my answer is, oh, absolutely. The benefits here go way beyond just, making your screen look a little tidier. In fact, this one small change delivers 3 key advantages that are going to make your whole invoicing process more efficient and even more secure. So first up, the most obvious one, a simplified invoice. Less clutter means your eyes can focus on what's actually important. And that directly leads to benefit number 2, improved efficiency. You'll find you can create and process those invoices just a little bit faster. And finally, and this one's pretty important, is data privacy. By removing that field, you make sure that old or maybe sensitive tracking info isn't accidentally left on an invoice where it doesn't belong. And just to help all of this stick, I put together a little quick reference guide for you. Think of it as your cheat sheet for the most important commands we just talked about. Here it is, the 3 keyboard commands you'll want to remember. Getting to voucher types, that's Alt+F12. Customizing the layout, that's going to be Alt+F12. And of course, saving your work, Ctrl+A. If you can remember those 3, you can customize your vouchers with confidence. And there you have it. See? With one tiny adjustment, you've already made your process that much better. So the only question left is, now that you've streamlined your invoices, what are you going to streamline next? Thanks for tuning in.